What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. You can see how badly I burnt my nose just in time for Santa's sleigh. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 17.3K. We're up 2.3 on the day. We're seeing a nice bounce right now. There is a key level of resistance to break if we are going to see continuation, because we can still roll over here. And we're seeing a market cap of 331 billion. 24-hour volume, 20.88 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up, grab up to 30K in bonuses. Link is in the comments section. Make your first deposit, email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. So you can see we bounced from our wave 2 pullback zone. But we still have to break this high in order to see that continuation, to confirm that continuation to the upside, because if we fail to do that, what we can do here is either create, you can see it as a head and shoulders or a triple top pattern. So it's crucial for Bitcoin to break about 17.29, 17.3 to see continuation to the upside. Maybe you'd be looking at like a 1, 2, this is a 3, you'd see a wave 4, push up in a wave 5, and that would be the wave 1 of the wave 3. Little article here. So Bitcoin price is now trading above 1700, and the 100 hourly simple moving average, and trading above the 100 hourly simple moving average. It's also trading near the 76.4 fib retracement level of the downward move from 17.4 swing high to 16.7 low. So on the upside, an immediate resistance at 17.28. That's the area we covered. The first major resistance is near the 17.45 zone, above which the price may perhaps start another steady increase. In that stated case, the price could rise towards 18K. So that's what we've been covering on the channel here. If we did bounce from that wave 2 pullback zone and we do break that high, then we still have this target area, because we did meet the minimum requirement, the 0.382, but the normal retracement for a wave 2 pullback is in between the 0.5 and the 0.786. So it's definitely still on the table. I was leaning towards a breakdown here, but as you can see, we've started to see a bounce. So we'll have to trade accordingly. Obviously, I'll be looking for the short trade when it comes, if we do push up into this yellow box. But the first thing that we have to do is come up and break that high at about 17.3K. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we've started to break out of this falling wedge pattern. As I mentioned, I said if we do break out, I think we're going to see the same situation as we did right here. Wow, absolute fail, as we did right here, where we fake out to the upside, we come up to 18K, 18.3, we get rejected, and we continue the descent to the downside, in my opinion. Now looking at our next chart, we have a little bit of a bull pennant here, a little fake out to the downside, push up, liquidate those short positions. So if we do break that high, you have a measurement from the bottom of the pattern to the top of the flag, and that will take you all the way up to our target zone. It will take you up to 18.3K, excuse me. Wow. So looking at the Dow Jones, we're starting to see a little bit of pullback here. We're looking for a potential retest, which is still a possibility. But that resistance level we're watching in between 34.8 and 35.4 to test. We may push up to test that level before potentially rolling over, in my opinion. Let me quickly open up the DXY and see what it's doing here. Yeah, so we're coming down. We may look to create that double bottom for the DXY, which would be bearish for Bitcoin. However, if the DXY loses that low, then we can come down to our target support in between 100 and 102, where I do think the DXY has very strong potential to see a nice bounce, as it's a previous level of major support. Support in this area, resistance here. We have a lot of resistance in this area, resistance right here, resistance right here. So massive level, in my opinion, and good opportunity to give the DXY a significant bounce, which would see the continuation to the downside. But if we do break down here for the DXY in the short term, that's when you'll see the price of Bitcoin push up to test that 18K level. But just be cautious, in my opinion, because we can still just roll over here and then create a triple top pattern. And basically it was just a push up to liquidate the shorts, convince people to go long, bull trap, and then drop back down. So just trade very cautiously. Personally, I'll wait for the short trade. I'm happy to be patient and wait for the better trading opportunity, in my opinion. But of course, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. I'm going to open up the Discord here. So if you sign up to either Bybit or BitGet through my referrals, I have a full-length tutorial for Bybit in the description. You make your first deposit and email me your sign-up email. The email is in the comments as well as the description. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And let me pop open the chart channel here. And at the 10 USD membership, you can get early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals, which can be very helpful along your trading journey. Same price as a Netflix subscription or Spotify. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next, I'm just looking at my nose. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Much love. Bye-bye.